There it is. There it is! Amy, quit getting him! Hang on to your shit!
Careful, we got to turn. Saw it right when you said it.
You okay? Yeah.
You okay?
Yep.
Yeah. Is there two or no?
No, not quite, but... Look at all the debris in the field.
Wow.
Get on the tree. Cop?
Yeah.
Are they okay?
Wow.
They got power lines wrapped all around them.
Are they alright?
Yeah.
Are you guys alright?
We can clear this tree line, but what's behind it? That's always a question. Is it worse? What we got?
You notice there's nobody else.
This is our tornado.
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
going
it is.
to pack around people like less than this, but...
This is closer than Manitoba, Jim.